don't even know what kind of animal that was.
I know, it looked like a fox or a coyote or something.
Nigga say, yup, this still Columbia. The fuck it ain't.
So when they first made the city, like Mr. Henry was saying, all of this was still technically Columbia, even when they started putting the... So I got my shea butter from Africa, so I'm going to have to... This is how she has to bring it in. So I'm going to have to melt this down so I can take my part out, and then we'll move on from there. You can see the oil. It's melting down to a pourable oil. Pretty pink sky. Oh, looks like cotton candy.